What if there's a credit union that has higher limits than Navy Federal? Navy Federal is great. We love them, but let's be honest. They're not handing out those high limits like they used to. Look, they want relationship banking. They want direct deposits, and sometimes they're just taking too long to give you that bag. But what if there's a competitor, a credit union that is faster, easier, and still hands out those massive $50,000 limits that we all want? Look, today we're going to dive into United Federal Credit Union. And I'm going to show you exactly how to join them, even if you don't live near a branch, and how to access their high-limit personal loans, lines of credit, and we're going to talk about their business funding. Look, if you've been denied by big banks, this is your new strategy. I'm Marvin Smith, and on this channel, we teach business owners how to raise capital and build business credit. Look, if you guys are ready to get some money, you're in the right place. Comment ready in the comments if you're ready to learn. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. I know you're probably thinking, Marvin, I don't live in Michigan or Nevada, so how am I going to join? Look, guys, don't worry about that. While they have branches in states like Arkansas, Indiana, Michigan, Nevada, North Carolina, and Ohio, look, they have a back door so the rest of us can join. Even if you don't live, work, or worship in those local areas, guys, I'm going to tell you about this, and I've said this in my previous videos. You can join the American Consumer Council. Sometimes there's a small fee to join the council, but once you're in, you're eligible for the United Federal membership. And guess what? You can join a bunch of other credit unions besides them. Look, this is the key that unlocks the door for everyone nationwide. That's right, guys. Anyone can join this credit union. All you need to do is open a member savings account. Usually that's about a $5 deposit. The $5 is your ticket to $50,000 credit limits that we're about to talk about. But look, since you stuck around in this video, I'll show you how to join the American Consumer Council for free. The promo code is in the description. And once you use it and you get it for free, drop another comment and let everybody know it's real. And listen, guys, data points on credit unions change all the time. So if you want to stay ahead of the banks and the credit unions and know exactly where the money is flowing, whatever month it is, make sure you smash and hit the subscribe button, guys, and join our channel so every time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to get it. Because we're dropping new funding plays every single week, and you don't want to be the last one to know. Now, before you apply, you need to know who they're looking at. We all know that Navy Federal loves TransUnion, but for United Federal Credit Union, our data points show they primarily pull Equifax for their personal products. And I know you're probably thinking, why does this matter? Look, if your TransUnion or your Experian is beat up from too many inquiries, or maybe you got some negative accounts, but your Equifax is clean, look, this is your pivot. This is your go-to right now. Always check your credit report first before you apply for anything. But knowing that they favor Equifax gives you a strategic advantage to protect your other scores, guys. And let's talk about it. A lot of credit unions don't pull Equifax. Most of these credit unions that I do reviews on, they're going to pull Experian and TransUnion. So this is a great one that pulls Equifax. All right, let's talk about the high limits that they have. United Federal Credit Union offers what's called a U First Visa and a U Rewards Visa card. Look, you can get 0% for 6 months if you get the U First Visa, and you get 0% for 12 months if you get approved for the U Rewards Visa card. Now, we regularly see limits anywhere from $10,000 all the way up to $50,000 on these cards. The best part is they are inquiry sensitive, so don't try to do a credit stack and put them at the end of the stack. They need to be at the beginning because they are inquiry sensitive, but they're score friendly. So if you have a 680 plus on your Equifax, guess what? You ought to be pretty good. And for the people that have lower than a 700, look, I know how you feel. When I lost my first business, I had bad credit. And I see a lot of you guys in the comments saying, well, if we all had a 700, we wouldn't have to watch this video. But guys, I'm telling you, no matter where you are right now, you can actually use what's called their U-Boost Visa, and it helps you build credit. But now, guys, in this day and time, you can work on your credit yourself. And you ought to start working on your credit score immediately. You can repair your score all by yourself using an AI software. Now, let's talk about the real hidden gem here. It's the personal line of credit. Unlike a loan where you get a lump sum and you start paying interest immediately, a personal line of credit is like a credit card for cash. You only pay interest on what you use. It's perfect for bridging the gap, for cash flow gaps in your business, or if you have an emergency that pops up. You know what I'm saying? This is something that you can use and have as a safety net. They also offer an unsecured personal loan if you need a lump sum for a project immediately, or you're paying some back taxes, or you got an emergency around the house. And guys, when you're getting ready to apply for either the personal line of credit or the personal loan, I would be prepared and have my pay stubs ready if you want to apply for either one of these products. But let's switch gears here for a minute. If you're looking to leverage buying an automobile, they're very aggressive on auto loans. Their auto loans have rates as low as 6%, and the vehicles can be financed up to 84 months. So, you can finance a vehicle up to 115% of its value. You can apply online, or you can make a phone appointment. A lot of these credit unions are going to phone appointments or Zoom appointments. But guys, let's jump into the mortgages. Maybe you're a first-time home buyer and you're looking for a first-time home buyer program. Guess what? They have it. And they have a $2,500 first-time buyer's credit. They also offer up to 100% financing on certain mortgage products, which is actually rare, but it's very similar to Navy Federal. Navy Federal has a product where they'll give you 100%. But when you're doing these type of products where you want 100%, always keep in mind, guys, you want a 680 credit score or above. And when you're looking at getting a mortgage, they may want to see all three bureaus. And for my real estate investors, they have mortgage refinancing. You can use the equity to fund your next business move, but make sure it's a solid business idea before using your home equity. Because many years ago, I made the mistake of refinancing my first home and I end up losing it. You don't want to make that mistake, guys. You want to have a solid business idea before you mess with the equity that's in your home. Even though that's usually one of our biggest areas of savings, just be very careful when it comes to your house. But that's a whole nother video. And look, for you real estate investors that want to purchase multifamily dwellings, or you want some new construction projects, they can finance those as well. So if you're looking at duplexes, triplexes, look, United Federal can be great for that. Now, Gloria and I always tell you, personal credit is just a bridge. Now, let's jump into what you guys always love, business credit. Business credit is the actual destination. And what I loved about all the research that I did on United Federal, they have a full suite of business products. Now, write this down. I know you're probably not going to believe this. They have a business Visa credit card that's great for separating business expenses from your personal expenses. And the credit card goes up to $100,000. Now, I'm telling you, I do reviews on credit unions all the time. It's rare that you see a business credit card that goes up to $100,000. Now, they also have commercial lines of credit. Now, this is where your capital grows with you as your business grows. Now, for you real estate investors, they have commercial real estate products. Now, if you're ready to buy your own building, or maybe you're ready to do some investment property. But also realize, guys, when you're trying to do these big real estate projects, they're probably going to ask for all of your documents. So I would make sure I have 2 years tax statements, profit and loss, and a debt schedule for you and the business. Get that stuff together before you apply. And guess what happens? Now you have a greater chance of getting approved, and build relationships with the people that you're going to talk to, the mortgage loan officers, because they typically underwrite based on your personal credit initially. So make sure your credit score is solid. If you haven't, guys, look in the description and check out our AI software. It'll really help you if you have bad credit. Now, you might be thinking, Marvin, all of this is great, but which credit union should I apply for first? And I'm going to tell you, because we do this every day. We help business owners every single day, and the order matters. Look, if you apply for the wrong one, you'll get denied, which means you might not know that this bank or this credit union is inquiry sensitive, and you apply for it too late. Guess what? It's an order, guys. I just want to tell you, it's an order and how this works. And if you get denied, you're going to get discouraged. But if you apply in the right sequence, you're going to get funded every single time, as long as you have a 700 credit score and above. And look, we help business owners build custom funding roadmaps every day, all day long in our free Zoom calls. So if you want to look at your specific situation, and we can tell you exactly which banks to hit and when, but Before you even jump on this call, remember, you need to have a 700 credit score, and we'll give you a free business strategy call with myself and my team. And the link is actually in the description below. Look, we've helped thousands of business owners just like you raise capital. And remember, United Federal Credit Union is a beast, but you shouldn't rely on just one lender. You always need a backup. And while I'm talking about that, watch this next video where we break down another credit union that requires no documents for approval. I'm Mr. Smith,
and we're here to help empower your finances.